Hello friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to stop or disable startup apps in Windows 11. So, let's start. At first, go to the Settings options from the Windows search bar. Now, click on Apps. After this, click Startup. Here you can see all startup apps running status, on or off condition. For stop any app that is running, just click the pop-up button for off. Friends, you know, all startup apps are running when you start your computer. For this reason, your computer speed is reduced and working slowly. We have a shortcut way to disable startup apps. Go to Taskbar Settings options from the Windows taskbar. As same as previous, go to the Apps options, then click on Startup. Now, you can disable or stop any running apps from here. Friends, we have another shortcut way to disable startup apps in Windows 11 PC. Go to the Task Manager from the Windows taskbar options. Now click on Startup Apps. Click the right button on app's name, which is enabled. Then you can see Disable options, just click Disable. As same as, you can enable your startup apps from these options. I hope this is too much easier for you after watching this video. Friends, please subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.